Hey everybody, hope your week's off to a good start. This is the Ignorant Entrepreneur, and in an IPO market that's on fire, the biggest is yet to come. Here we have Ant Group, a Chinese online payments giant created by Alibaba's founder, Jack Ma. The company filed for its IPO last week and is expected to be the most valuable company ever to go public on a global stock exchange. The company plans to sell 10% of its shares on Shanghai's Nasdaq-like index and 5% on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, according to MarketWatch. The Chinese company is looking to raise a record-breaking $30 billion in its IPO, which is expected to happen by October. For context, the previous largest IPO, Saudi Arabia's oil giant Aramco, raised $25.6 billion in its IPO last December. Now, you may have some familiarity with Jack Ma and Alibaba, but what's this Ant Group? Well, it's attempting to be the ultimate mashup between Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay, Venmo, FICO, and any of the multiple fintech companies in the US that offer lending, savings, and insurance products. With an estimated $200 billion valuation, Ant Group is worth more than most global banks. Here's how Ant Group became the largest fintech company in the world. It was 5 years after Jack founded Alibaba in 2004, China's largest e-commerce company, Amazon of the East. Ma had identified a problem of consumer trust, which was impeding growth in his e-commerce business. Given relatively weak consumer protection laws in China and deteriorating customer confidence around quality control, people were reluctant to buy goods online. So Jack Ma established mobile payment platform Alipay, which works much like PayPal. Last year, Alibaba generated about $38.3 billion of sales in a single day over its global shopping festival, the world's largest 24-hour online sale held annually on November 11th to celebrate Singles Day, an anti-Valentine's Day holiday celebrating single people that is popular in many Asian countries. Coresight Research reports that this festival alone generates more sales than Black Friday and Cyber Monday combined. Today, Alipay has 1.3 billion annual active users compared to 346 million active PayPal accounts worldwide. The majority are in its home market of China, but the company also has 300 million users across India, Thailand, South Korea, Philippines, Bangladesh, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Pakistan. It has 54% share of the Chinese digital payments market, which in total did volumes of about 33 trillion last year. The next biggest player is Tencent with 39%. Ant Group manages over $560 billion in wealth management. It's done a little bit of rebranding ahead of its IPO from Ant Financial to Ant Technology. They have released a 3-year plan in March centered on opening up the Ant ecosystem to a wider selection of partners, not just financial institutions. Its new app incorporates local services like food delivery, transport, and medical services, reflecting the degree to which the company hopes to be involved in its users' daily lives. Now, with this goal in mind, policymakers in China are already putting pressure on Ant. Meanwhile, the company's decision against listing in the US also reflects growing tensions in the US-China trade relations and increased scrutiny of Chinese companies by the Trump administration. All the more reason why investors will be watching closely on this IPO. So yeah, unfortunately it won't be trading in the US. I will be keen to see how other digital payment companies react. Big moves, big plays, just another IPO. This has been the Ignorant Entrepreneur. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. All right.